Beppu Onsen Story. Once upon a time, a dazzling light rose from a village at the foot of a mountain in Nagano. And with the sound of the earth, a big hole opened in the ground, and from there the pillar of fire and black smoke blew out. The fire pillar and black smoke were getting stronger day by day. The houses in the village were on fire due to the heat of the pillar of fire, and the troubled villagers went to the imperial court in the capital. When the emperor heard it and asked a fortune-teller who divined things from the movement of the stars to predict the cause, the fortune-teller. This is due to the edge of the Buddha. If you are a monk with high virtue, you will be able to close the pillar of fire. That's what I said. So the emperor sent a great monk to the village of Nagano. When the monk who arrived at the village read the sutra, the black smoke turned into purple smoke and purple clouds appeared. It's been said that purple clouds are auspicious clouds for a long time. When the monk said that, he raised his voice even more and sang the sutra. Then, from the purple cloud, a shining female Buddha appeared. The female Buddha told the monk this. I am Kanzeon Bosatsu, who saves the world. Make a statue of me and enshrine it in this land. If you do that, good things will happen. When Kanzeon Bosatsu finished speaking, he went up to the sky with purple clouds. Then, shall we make Kanzeon Bodhisattva right away? When the monk carved the statue of Kanzeon Bodhisattva, he enshrined the statue in the hall. Then the fire pillar and smoke that were blowing out of the hole gradually weakened, and this time the black and warm hot water came out. It is said that this warm hot water later became a Bessho hot spring that is good for treating diseases. The end.